Hello lovely friends, here's a sneak peek of today's acrylic pouring 2 techniques in 1. Thank you so much to my subscribers and my members and my new members Silver Dove and Linda and Jill. You really help keep my channel going and allow me to go into schools and other places and inspire children with my art free of charge. So today we've got 2 acrylic pouring techniques in 1. It's a lot of fun for beginners, and today is a Talent Tuesday with my wonderful friend Kim from Kim's Art Alchemy. So today I've gone crazy with colour. I've got so many colours in this painting. So let's start off. We've got a white base and we've got my iridescent blue. I had a workshop recently and 2 of the ladies in there were just ecstatic with this blue. It's gorgeous. It dries so nicely as well. It's Pebeo, and if you're in the UK you can go to Hobbycraft, and don't forget to get it when it's on discount because it's half price on discount, and it makes it much more affordable to create your abstract art piece. So on top of here we've got another iridescent colour. That was green blue, and then the green yellow. These are 3 of my favourite colours. I went into a school last week and I had 30 kids, I think it was, in an hour and 4 of them were working together, and I'm going to show you their paintings in the next video. A few of us went in for Careers Day and we had such a lovely time with them. I had the best fun. I could have stayed all day, although I did have to lie down in a dark room when I got home. So there was fluorescent yellow on top of that green yellow, and on top of the yellow, fluorescent yellow, there is iridescent gold. So there's a lot of iridescent colours in here today. And then the darkest colour I've got here is a navy blue, which is ultramarine blue with a touch of black to get it that blue that you like. It's almost black, isn't it? It's so dark. And there's Bordeaux red on top. So I'm really loving these colours, and I've got a feeling for an upcoming commission this set of colours together is going to work really well. So let me know what you think about these colours together. Literally I used about 20 colours in this painting and I went crazy. So this is just complete unadulterated fun. And this first technique that I'm using is the Dutch pour technique, originally created by Rinske Downer. Please check out her channel. She was such an inspiration when I first started off my YouTube journey, and she does some amazing art. She's on her own different art journey with different techniques now as well. So I'm putting down the base paint, which is what you do in a traditional Dutch pour. So I'm laying down enough base paint around the colour so that the colours on top, when I start blowing it out in a second, can glide really nicely. And I'm blowing the paint into the centre just very, very gently, and on the other side blowing it into the centre, and then I blow it down and across. Can you see the angle? That's it. So the angle is down and out. So I'm trying to show the angle as best as possible, really closely up to the camera, so you can get that bit, because that's the most important part, and it happens so quickly. So I'm really loving that feathered appearance there, which is the outcome of a desired Dutch pour. And I've decided to go through the centre again using some brighter colours just for contrast, and I'm going to go a bit crazy in a minute with other things I do. So I've done the traditional Dutch pour, and now I'm going to do another traditional bit through here. So I've got iridescent orange, I've got fluorescent pink, and I've got crimson, and I'm layering it up with a bit of gold. I'm going to put a little bit less colour across this way. I just want to just experiment. I experiment a huge amount in my videos, and love trying out new colours and colour schemes and layering in different ways. So I don't often use a white base because I love how the colours pop on a black base, but I love experimenting with a white base. Now this white that I just put down has got a secret ingredient in it. It's got Australian floetrol. Traditionally it's the cell activator used by the Shelley art method, which is Amsterdam titanium white and Australian floetrol, and I use it 3 parts Australian floetrol to 1 part Amsterdam. And when you use this white, it creates cells, and it is the formula for when you want to create cells. It's very hard to access Australian Floetrol in the UK because of shipping, but if you club up with a friend or if you buy something, you buy a container, even a litre. I started off with a litre years ago and it lasted me forever. It lasts a long time. So I've now finished the blowout and I'm using a cocktail stick to blend the colours and do a few swirls. And this is one of the parts that I absolutely love, because you can really blend the colours in a different way. So relaxing doing this. And I first saw this method used by Venom Fluid Art, Darren and Kaylene. Oh my goodness, the swirls they do in their pours, gorgeous. You're going to have to check out their channel as well if you fancy watching some more swirls. I'll put the playlist for all of my Dutch pours in the comment section below and in the description as well for you, so you can have a look at different colour schemes and different ways of doing it. So I've pretty much used my cocktail stick now, and I'm going to do something a bit crazy now. Do you like the swirls in the middle? You can see a tiny bit of cell coming up. I didn't use very much cell activator. And I haven't used a blowtorch. If you use a blowtorch, that tends to activate the cells a bit more, but I'm not really after cells today. I'd run out of base paint, so that's why I used the white cell activator. I didn't really like the cells in the middle, so I'm layering it up with those blues and a bit of gold, and I'm now using some cell activator to swipe through and see what effect I get. So can you see how the colours have blended? It's really quite a dark effect. And it's okay. I quite like how it's creating a dark effect through the light. And there's a few cells popping up. But yeah, it's just creating a bit more of a edge and a bit more dimension, a bit more depth. It almost looks 3D now, don't you think? So enjoy the rest of the painting, and I'm going to be playing with my palette knife for a bit. I'm going to use my blowtorch to see if any more cells come up, and then towards the end I'll show you the wet and dried results, along with a sneak peek of one of my lovely members, Jill, who's very kindly shared some of her beautiful creations with us. Enjoy the music, and I'll see you soon.
I feel it getting close, I feel the joy in the air. Everybody's going home to the people they care for the most. And I'm on my way, 'cause you're my happy holiday. Na, 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 na. You're my happy holiday. Na, 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 na. You're my happy holiday. Turning down our road, I'm like a kid again. I can't wait to see all of my family and all of my friends. And I'm on my way, 'cause you're my happy holiday. Na, 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 na. You're my happy holiday. Na, 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 na. You're my happy holiday. Songs the whole world knows. Oh, oh, everyone we love is here, drinking up the season's cheer. Oh, oh, na 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 na. You're my happy holiday. Na 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 na. You're my happy holiday. Na 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 na. You're my happy holiday. You found my name in the free space, couldn't miss out on it. Selfish people run away when they get what they want. You saw my weakness right away, had to cash in on it. Selfish people take away what you had saved up for someone. 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 You called my name in the free space, couldn't wait to grab it. Selfish people disengage once they've used what they want. You stole the pieces tucked away, couldn't stop but sleep on it. Selfish people take away what you had saved up for someone. What you had saved up for someone. What you had saved up for someone. What you had saved up.
Oh, I've really enjoyed painting this abstract art piece today. What do you think of these two techniques in one painting? So I've used a Dutch pour technique and some flicking and a little bit of my palette swiping as well, so it's three really. Anyway, I hope you've enjoyed it. Let me know what you think in the comments below. I really appreciate you being here. And what do you think of all of these colours created together? I really personally like the beginning part of it with the blues, reds, and a little bit of green and yellow, and then it went completely crazy. But I still love it and it's still fun to create. So I'm going to give you a little bit of a sneak peek now of Jill from MJ Fluid Art. Here's some beautiful creations she's made. Look at these coasters, aren't they lovely? Really love that colour palette. Let me know what you think of Jill's creations as well in the comments below, and if you'd like to see a playlist, I'll pop them in the comments and the description. Thank you so much for supporting my channel. I go in and I do some free painting at schools and ambulance services and places like that. So buying me a coffee or supporting me through membership or in any other way that you do really does help keep my channel going. Thank you so much. And I can't wait to see what Kim, my wonderful friend Kim from Kim's Art Alchemy, has created today. I'll put her link as well in the comments and the description below. Let's go and check out her video. Thank you for being here. Let me know what you're creating, and don't forget, keep shining. Your art is a piece of you. I hope to see you again soon. Take care. Bye.
I feel it getting close, I feel the joy in